Hello everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making coffee cake made with actual coffee. Yeah, I was looking at a coffee cake like how do you make that? So I was looking at the ingredients and you know, very oddly, none of them was actually made with coffee. So I was like, okay, why is it called coffee cake? And I guess because it paired nicely with coffee.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But if you look at it, donuts is paired with coffee grape, and it's not called coffee donuts. Also, muffins is paired with coffee, but it's not called coffee muffins. So yeah, I thought about put coffee inside of it. So yeah, I will be using coffee as well as this condensed milk to sweeten it up. Okay, so here is 1/3 cup of milk. I also will be using sweet condensed milk. I don't have a measurement, but I'll probably use a total of about 1.5 cups. I might have a combination of sour cream, and also this plain Greek yogurt. So it's a combination of that. I have baking powder, baking soda, flour. It's all-purpose flour, melted butter. It's like half a stick, and is that brown sugar? It could be dark or light, and of course I have my coffee. Okay, so added to this butter, I will be adding in my brown sugar. Just at about 1/3 cup. Yeah, about 1/3 cup because it's gonna be for your crumble. And also added to that, I will be adding in my all-purpose flour. Okay, now for that, you want to add about 1/2 of a cup as well. I didn't use a measuring cup. I just pretty much just used a spoon to spoon it out. But yeah, about 1/3 of a cup. And as you will see a little later, once I mix it all together, it's gonna be too like soupy, not soupy, but like not as crumbly as it's supposed to be for a crumble. So I'm gonna be adding in more of the flour. That's because I use a spoon, but if you just use a cup, it's probably about half. I'm sorry, yeah, half a cup. Yeah, so one was it 1/2? Yeah, 1/2 a cup. So yeah, I'm just mixing it all together, and once I mix it, that's what I'm gonna realize I'm gonna be needing more flour. All right, so this is how it looks once you the crumble looks. Just go ahead and set that to the side. So let's get started on the actual cake. Okay, now in another bowl, we're gonna add 1 1/2 cup of flour. 1 1/2 cup of flour, and it's all-purpose flour. Also added to the flour, we're gonna pretty much add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon, as well as 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once we add those, we're pretty much gonna whisk it together to make sure it's combined. All right, now once we whisk that up, we're pretty much going to set that to the side as well. Now, you can use a regular cup and a spoon to stir it, but I feel like once you put it in like something like this and shake it up, it's more better. I also forgot to mention today it's actually going to make 2 years since I had iced coffee. Like I used to be so addicted to iced coffee. Like I used to love it. And God was telling me like it became an addiction and it was really bad. So yeah, and it started to be an idol. If you don't know what an idol is, anything or anyone you put before God. So yeah, I stopped drinking iced coffee. So if you want to see the video to that, it's on my other channel, but I will link it in this description. But yes. So yeah, so this is my first time today drinking coffee because it got coffee in it, of course, and it got the sweet condensed milk. So yeah, it's after I tasted, I was like, okay, wow, I can do it. But yeah, it's been 2 whole years. So yeah, let me get back to the recipe, y'all. So yeah, I added my coffee to the bottle as well as the 1/3 cup of milk, and I shook it. Now I'm adding in my sweet condensed milk. There's not an exact measurement, but probably about 1/3. Yeah, I using this funnel. It took a very long time. long time.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So once this has been shaken up or whatever, just go ahead and set that to the side. Now we're gonna go back to the bowl with the flour and everything. So we're gonna add the mixture that we just shook up with the coffee and the sweet condensed milk, and we're gonna add that to the flour. Now, I also forgot to show you in the beginning that is vanilla extract. So, yeah, and I also forgot to show you one egg that I use as well. So, yeah, just use about probably three cupfuls of the vanilla extract, and I'm also going to be adding in my one egg as well. Also, to keep from getting eggshells in your mixture, crack it into another bowl. But yeah, I didn't do that. But thank God it didn't get any eggshells inside of there. Okay, now once it's been whisked up, I'm pretty much gonna add some more condensed milk. Yes, yeah, I love, yeah, this, and I also love, because I'm not using sugar, and you know sugar comes inside the sweet condensed milk. So yeah, I'm gonna use it a little bit more. So it's probably gonna be a total of about half a cup. Yeah, about half a cup. The first time I used like 1/3, so about half a cup. And yeah, you want to get that out of there, and yeah, that's pretty much all I use. So yeah, just go ahead and mix that together, and then you'll be ready to put that. Actually, yeah, I don't know if I told you, I'm gonna be making this into muffins. So yeah, I'm gonna put this inside my muffin tin after I mix this all together. Okay, now if you're just using just a plain muffin pan with just the the muffin cup holders, then you don't need to spray any, non-stick spray, which I thought I was going to use, as you see me here lingering it. But when I realized the batter was too thick, and I was like, yeah, I'm not going to use that. So I think I only used that for one of them. But for the rest of them, I end up taking them out, and I end up spraying the pan with butter, non-stick butter, and putting the batter in there. Yeah, I ended up taking those out, and as you see, this spray's so messy out. I don't know. Yeah, it got everywhere when it really wasn't supposed to. But yeah, also too, as you can see on the first one, I placed the batter first. I placed it close to the top, and then I pretty much layer it with that crumble that I made earlier. You'll see. Just keep watching, but you'll see with this one. Okay, so once I don't fill that up, now I'm about to layer it with that crumble. And as you can see, just, how I'm doing it, just put it on there, you just want to cover the top part of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna add probably a little bit more to that. And, just do it for the rest of them. Just add the batter, and then, the crumble. Just do it for all of them. And then also too, when you're ready to bake, put it on 350 and bake it about 40 to 45 minutes, but mine's cooked 43 minutes. Now for the grand finale, this is how it looked, y'all. Let me know how I did, y'all, for my first time. I really didn't, like, you feel me? It was good, don't get me wrong. It was good and it was moist. However, I think in the batter, I probably should have used more butter. I should have used the butter. Because I did use butter for the topping, the crumble, but I didn't use butter in the actual, batter. So I think I probably should use more butter, which I will do next time. Or it could have been another egg I should have used, but I think it was butter. I should have used more butter. But like I said, it was very moist and good. So if you do try this recipe, which I pray you do, just put butter. I'm gonna say about half a stick. I didn't really use salt. I didn't use salt at all. So I would suggest salted butter. But it's up to you, to your liking or whatever. But yeah, it was still good. It was still good, y'all. Please try this recipe. So of course I gotta taste it, y'all. Yes, so yeah, I'm tasting it and I did pretty good, yeah. I did pretty good. Like I said, it's moist, just at the bottom. It's just little, I don't know, like I said, I think I just needed a little bit more butter. I should have added butter to it. So the next time I make it, I'll add butter. Then also too with the top part of it, the crumble, I'll probably put less butter. But I'll just work on this. But yeah, this is my first time as far as the coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the recipe with the coffee, y'all, because yes, that's the reason why I think it should have been called coffee cake. But yeah, the coffee added a great flavor to it as well with that sweet condensed milk. It was so good, y'all. It was so good. So yeah, go ahead and try that recipe. Just add the butter and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, make sure you like, make sure you share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, have a blessed day.